I am Srihari Kotela, Managing Director, eFresh Portal Private Limited. This portal we have started in the year 2010 with the support from NABARD and the National Horticulture Mission, Government of India. So our main primary objective is empowering agriculture, food processing and food safety. That means the whole supply chain has to be handled in order to ensure safe food to the consumers. So first we have launched some sections like solar related sections, dairy related sections and farm machinery selection related sections, and also the tenders related to the supply chain. Now today what we launched is a market linkage platform of its first of its kind in the world market with 25,000 food safety certified suppliers for different food safety standards. So the reason by bringing out this platform is, presently though India being the largest, second largest producer of fruits and vegetables, our suppliers are not visible in the world market. So what we did today is we brought all of them into the world market so that globally if somebody wanted to procure mango pulp, Alfonsa, he can locate the suppliers in India and he can find out. That means multi levels of middlemen are eliminated in this process. The producers gets a good price and similarly the buyers also gets reasonable price and simultaneously consumers also will get the best price. That is the purpose of market linkage. And another section what we launched is a directory of services for agri players to bring all the stakeholders into one platform so that it is very useful for the stakeholders in the agriculture supply to get information instantly what they want. That means instead of wasting time going into the various platforms, going into various places for the collection of information, we have put all this into one directory so that it will be very innovative and it can be accessed from anywhere in the world.